single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What's up, guys? How you doing? It's your girl Ivy, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. And if you're new to my channel, karibu sana. Kindly subscribe and turn on the bell so that you can be notified on an upload. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So are you like wondering, how can I get the simplest breakfast? Are you in a hurry or in a rush? Don't worry, I got you. So stay tuned. So the ingredients are, you'll need sausages. These are around 6 sausages. Yes, and you'll need 2 large tomatoes. You'll need 1 large onion, 1 large green bell pepper, a half lemon, black pepper here, and salt. That's all you need, and a chopping board and a knife and oil for frying, so shallow frying the sausages. So yeah, let's get cooking. So what you need to do first, put oil in your pan so it can be hot, and so that you can shallow fry these sausages. And I'll show you what to do next. So much for watching my video, and like this video, comment and share to your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Be blessed and stay safe, and let's spread love. And yeah, so till next time, guys. Bye. Love you.